Hi, sweetie.
Dito na naman kami sa Filipino store at dito kami magla-lunch. As usual, isda. Yan, si Honey naman. Yung asawa ko, himintay naman niya yung order niya from Jollibee. So, for the meantime, bago ako mag-shopping dito, kain muna tayo. Oh, yan. Ito na yung order ni Honey. I love these corn chips. Tayo sa mga canned goods. Babaunan ko siya. Damihan ko na yung century tuna. Ayan, bibili ako dito ng saging na saba. Ayan. Kamahalan ka rin ha. $3 per isa. Tapos na ako magbayad sa grocery. Dito muna ako pasok sa bakery shop. Bibili ako ng tinapay. I think this pandesal. Pandesal, isang pack, ilang piraso, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12. Ito na lang kaya instead of pandesal. Pandilichi. Satan ko yung pandesal ko. Huwag kong gano'n yung bilhin kasi baka magmumuhon siya. Sayang lang yung bayad. So, ito na lang. So, this is it. Saka isang pandiube. Isang pack ng pandiube. Yan, I'm done shopping. Then, tatlong box. Pala ng tinapay. Bye, Jollibee! See you next time! Hello again! Hello! Welcome to New York! Ayan, yan, yung puti na yan, mga snow. Yan, may snow pa dito sa New York. Nakaganito lang yung outfit ng lola niyo. Kapal pa ng snow. Yan. That's the highway 88. East side, papunta doon, and the other side is, obviously, is west. It's 6:30 na guys, and medyo may sun pa siya. Anyway, ito yung maliit na, ang services nila dito, ito lang, restroom, at saka meron silang vending machine. Yeah, nag-stop lang kami dito for tonight. I will go back to the truck and making some tea because the weather is so cold, really freezing. So how do you feel now? The load is over. Stress-free?
I swear to God, honey, I was gonna freak out. I mean, it's really hard. 3,000 miles, all these base stations. Through some of them, they were closed, but you don't know that. That gives you stress already. Yeah. By the time you find out, oh, I'm passing, thank God. You already had, your brain was squished.
Chemical kasi yung load. It's a hazmat. Medyo scary siya sa daan. So, kailangan ingat-ingat talaga. Kasi kung anong mangyari, responsibilidad ng driver kasi siya yung nagta-transport ng load. So, kaya yung tracking, ang daming rules din. Ang dami kasing penalty dito, guys. Emergency exit. Front door. Thank you. Papasok sana kami sa door. Nabasa ko, emergency exit. But anyway, yeah. Dito sa Amerika, talagang mapipinalty ka pag hindi mo sinunod. Bawal ang pasaway dito. Bawal ang matigas ang ulo. Thanks God, the load is over. We're done. So, yeah, it's time to relax for a moment. And pasok lang kami sa loob kung anong meron dito sa truck stop. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.
We did the Lord.